going on, everyone? If you are here with us today, you might have seen the quick interview and the whole entire video of Paul Schmidt building this. And I'm sorry if my voice is kind of gone. I was at a Warriors game last night and I was screaming my soul away. Right, Glow?
Yes, you are a big dog.
So I don't got much voice in me today, but this, I think I like to call this the bacon board. Check this out.
Is it vegan?
It is not vegan, Mowgli, so I don't think you can skate this. This is a custom pressed.
This is a custom press.
That's dark.
All right, we're gonna talk like this for the rest of the video. So we're gonna get this set up. Hey, PS Sticks makes the best boards that you can get. I mean, it speaks for itself. What else do you say? This video is about to be sizzling.
It reminds me of gummy worms. I can't have gummy worms.
That's the best one.
Leave it in the comments below. What is your favorite flavor? All right, well, I don't want to set this up.
Keep that in, Dan. Please.
Look at this. How are you going to grip this, Glow? What's your strategy here?
I don't have a strategy.
Do you start from the middle?
Nope. I'm taking
Jessup grip?
the best grip tape in the world.
Honestly, maybe cutting the grip.
If you front blunt
You have to
with
start
this,
in the middle. Otherwise, it's
Glow, if you front blunt with this, I will Venmo you $25.
Nah, bro.
From blunt, $25?
Not on a rail either. I'm talking about on a box.
On a box.
Any box.
Oh, you
here.
messed up, brother. You got to restart it.
I might have.
Oh, sick. Oh, sick.
I told you messed up.
Look at that. That's how you lay that tail down.
You've regripped it 5 times with the exact same result every single time.
See, I got a couple inches right here. I'm gonna use that to grip up the tail.
You have 1/2 of an inch.
But look how, not normally does it go smooth right here.
Actually, you should just cut that off and just put it right there.
You said last night got creepy when you're here?
Yeah.
Why?
So I completed my 25 hours. I just wanted to be able to flex and say I stayed here 25 hours. Then I walked outside. And I'm still here, so it's continuing.
All right, what happened?
You might be
All
sitting
right.
on it.
A lot of people don't understand that when you're by yourself, it's either your mind making up all these things, but I started hearing like swinging.
Swinging?
I don't know where that was
What do you mean
coming
like
from.
swinging? Like creaking or like?
No, like. And then I heard a boom. I don't know, because we're close to 4th of July now. Like, it's coming up soon.
Nah, they was lighting fireworks to the Warriors for sure. Cause where
but
I live,
it's almost 3 a.m. when this was happening.
Oh.
I'm just here by myself. I hear like noises towards the mini ramp. I'm not gonna go over there. It's so dark here. It's insane how dark it is. And like Chucky really did damage to me at 5. I'm not gonna do anything to go and
Did it
find
feel
out.
like something touched you?
Yeah, but like it's really creepy, especially towards the vert ramp. I ain't taking no chances. Like for some reason, this is what I think. At any point, anybody could just go hide behind the vert ramp, chill there for as long as possible. Then when they hear everything close, they could just walk out and be the dark man. You know what I mean? Shadow man. I ain't trying to meet the shadow man. Never again. 24 hours, you tell me, Braille house?
Did you
Hey,
turn
you
all
this-
the lights off?
Yeah,
You were just here in the dark?
yeah.
Hey, this skate park was established in 2016, and never have I ever stayed overnight here by myself.
Talking to walkie-talkie.
How you doing over here, Glow?
They were like talking
Wow.
that's fantastic. That's how you grip that baby.
That looks
Can't
great.
even tell.
That looks great.
I'm honestly terrified to skate this.
Can I see this real quick?
It's like a.
Hey, everyone, rate this grip job.
It's gonna blast me.
Rate that grip job. Leave it in the comments below on a scale from 1 to terrible. Hey, well done, brother.
Now look at that. We got the first ever dragon board.
Hey, the board got waves.
Oh, yeah. All right, Mo.
Before we start, you write it.
Me?
Before it gets hectic and everything gets done, you got to do some NBDs right now.
MBDs?
It's NBD right now.
Drop in on that.
We got to get you skating. I get these tweets always saying skate.
How does it make you feel? You know when we did those videos where we soaked the board in water or whatever for 24 hours?
This is
That's
just
how
like
I
the
would
nail polish.
imagine the board's looking.
You know how this feels?
We need to put this in a dryer. So
This feels. I don't know how it feels yet. All right, I'll drop it.
He's not sure how it feels.
This is legendary. Bro, be careful. Whoa! It's a little wavy.
Oh!
That was kind of scary. I don't know why.
What's the kickflip?
It feels
Be the
good.
first one.
but it feels wrong.
What's a kickflip?
All right, let's kickflip off.
Those are Braille screws for the top.
Hey, you too.
Oh my.
Oh, what the heck? Already messing the grip up. I feel like I'm on mountains.
Wow.
Hey, it's still a kickflip off. You ain't trying to be last, though.
I still want to. Oh, it's Uzi's turn.
Whoa, whoa. You just lost
Can I
your
try
turn.
an actual try?
All right, now it's your turn.
Now it's my turn. So do I get 2 shots if we're being even?
No.
Ah, I'll show you how to do it then, cowboy.
That was looking. That was looking real good.
Wait, look at this. Wait, look. I'm not gonna try kickflip. Oh my gosh. Look how
It's the
solid
best
the
primo
is.
ever.
Look at this. I'm about to go. Oh, that's not what I tried. I tried to do a primo shove, but.
Rick, do you want the kickflip?
Nah, that's it, yeah. Move along.
Yeah.
I know what we gotta do. Board slide on the flat bar.
It's so interesting.
Whoa! Careful, Rick. Why, out of all spots, why did you put it right there?
You and Ricky are competing for worst beverage placement in the warehouse.
That's the worst.
That is pretty
That's
bad.
pretty bad. Oh, you go ahead.
Yeah, you can have 2, go.
Nollie flip, nollie flip.
Look out, Gabe! Whoa!
Bring it down. Did I just hear you utter the words "it's not possible"? Did you just say that?
I was just messing with Mowgli. Let's see if Smith. You think that'll mess you up?
You have to.
Where are you sliding? Can we see? Oh wait, what? That was really cool.
Dang, I'm hyped that worked.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can you
I put
enlighten
it
the
on?
people as to why you were wearing such a dapper fit today?
Just was feeling fancy today.
It's like the Bones Love
I
Milk,
just wanted to look nice for the people.
the Tony Hawk live stream all over again.
Nah, hey, I bought this suit for $26 at a secondhand store. I went to a bunch of stores trying to buy a real suit, and it wasn't happening. So 26 bucks, let's go.
They're expensive.
I mean, but I'm never gonna wear it. I don't like it at all, you know? 26 bucks, I just chill, do whatever I want, don't have to worry about it. Hey, I'll do a cleanup.
Look. Check it out.
That's control.
I'm gonna try to do it. Look, this is what a $26 suit. Who cares? I'm gonna try to go like this. That time I really went like that. I like luffed it. I want to try to just go boom. So it's like really just like pushing.
What do you have to say about that, Dan?
That was cool.
What would you actually name this board though?
You'd have to say whatever it is. You'd have to say it like that. Like,
But what would you actually name it? If you were to coin a name for it right now, what would you call it?
Pump track board?
Pump track board?
Looks like a pump track.
What?
You know that Woodward pump track? Looks exactly the same as a pump track at
The
Woodward.
pump track skateboard? Whoa! Wow! I have a request for you, Glo.
What?
Nice little nollie heel on the A-frame.
I don't know if it's
It's
possible.
100%. If it could kickflip, it could nollie heel.
I don't know about that. Literally where I put my foot to Nollie Hill? Why not? supposed to flick like that.
Don't ever doubt Paul Schmidt.
You're right about that. Shout out Paul Schmidt.
We were not here to listen to his, educational talk about how he built
No.
this, but I guarantee every calculation of known astrophysics went into this board.
Hey,
I landed like that because I didn't want to land and hurt my ankle or something because I'm low-key terrified of the waves in the middle of the board.
You didn't believe, but I believed.
Hey, you're right about
And now
that.
you succeeded.
That was sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. That might have been the sketchiest Nollie Hill.
Uzi, I need the hard flip.
I don't know about that one.
Why not?
I don't know. I just don't know about it.
The tail's the same. Just give it a try before
But
you
like,
doubt it.
like where this hump is right where I gotta put
And
my
that is
foot.
exactly what Glow said. And then he landed a perfect nollie
Yeah,
heel.
but that's different.
You just give it a try before you're so down on it.
Okay, yeah, maybe I could do this.
Fine. If you don't want to do that, and I'll do varial
I
flip.
do, but it's just very kind of in the way here. It actually does it really good. Really good.
You got anything to say to the people, Glow?
I hope you're having an amazing day. Uzi's about to land it. You gotta land it, bro.
That was excellent.
all right.
Oh, for real, fool?
It's kind of not cold.
What I'm gonna try to do, Rick is wearing such a nice outfit, so I must celebrate his dress-up occasion by giving him something special, which is a
he
burial
loves.
flip.
What he
Hashtag
loves.
keep him alive.
That's my gift. He doesn't want that
Keep
gift.
him dead. And it's a good thing I'm wearing the suit. I'm going to the funeral for burial.
Be careful with this one, fella. That's money.
Keep burial flips alive.
Yeah, that was fantastic.
Oh.
You guys are one of a kind.
You're absolutely incredible.
Wow, this board slide is gonna be one of a kind.
Let's go.
That was wavy, brother. I like that.
I'll do one more.
Wow.
That was better, right?
That was groovy.
That was amazing.
That's gonna be interesting landing like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's cool. I'm hyped on that.
You're a wizard, Rick.
You're a wizard. The wizard cast a spell. I walked under the ladder, they cast a spell, and I still landed.
Hey, shout out to the wizard. Soon he will be making a special guest appearance. I'll leave it right there for you to just guess it.
Shout out to the real wizard, P.S. Sticks.
Yeah.
Paul Schmidt.
Thank you, Paul. Well, thank you, Paul Schmidt, the professor, the amazing skateboard maker at PS Sticks. Make sure you go check him out. He also makes our skateboards here at Braille Skateboarding. Mowgli, Chris, and I went down to his warehouse and we designed our own pro shape. So look how awesome it is that he made this. Like I was saying before, he's such an expert that I'm sure there's some very intricate things going on here. Maybe he even told us about it in the vid. But if someone else tried to make this, I think it would definitely break. But because he's such an expert, he can really pull it off.
How much money would it cost for you to never skate another board except for this shape forever?
You know, if my life, the only skating I could ever do is on this, it would be all right. I'd be happy still. I'm still skating. It would still be cool. So yeah, thank you so much, Paul. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. Let me know if I look good in the suit, if I should continue wearing it. We want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything, brailleskateboarding.com.